Hi there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add running text in WordPress. So it's very easy to add. First go to your page editor and then add a new block, add custom HTML, and then here paste the code Marquee your running text. So you need to add this HTML tag. Now you can preview it. Click on preview and this is the preview result. After that, on the top right corner, click on save. Now you can go preview and this is our Marquee text. This is running. So that's how you can add running text in WordPress. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.